Hello there! I'm going to let you in on a little secret. The most incredible journey you've ever seen. You might say I'm a bit of an expert on the subject. Ready? Let's dive in. Welcome to the magical world inside a woman's body. It's like a cozy, shimmering cave full of possibilities. And look, there's our star. Let's call her Ova. Ova's not your average egg. She's a golden, glowing ball with big, curious eyes and a warm smile. Watch how she twirls through the gentle currents, leaving trails of sparkling light. Suddenly, millions of tiny swimmers burst into the uterus, creating a whimsical underwater fireworks display. It's absolute chaos. But among the crowd, there's one little sperm who stands out. Let's call him Spermy. Poor Spermy. He's not the fastest or the strongest, but boy is he determined. Something about Spermy's perseverance touches Ova's heart. In a true save-the-cat moment, she decides to help him out. And just like that, Spermy reaches Ova. There's a magical spark, a dazzling flash of light, and, well, you know what they say, the rest is history. Well, would you believe it? Our little Ova and Spermy are joining forces in a cosmic dance. Oh, did you see that flash? That's conception, folks. Our dynamic duo has just become a zygote. Let's call this new little hero Zygo. Now watch closely. Pop, pop, pop. Zygo's dividing faster than popcorn in a microwave. By the end of the first week, our little Zygo has become a blastocyst. It looks just like a tiny raspberry. Now here comes the really cozy part. In week 2, our blastocyst, let's call her Blasty, is looking for the perfect spot to snuggle in.
Oh, this uterine wall looks so comfy. I think I'll make my bed right here.
And just like that, Blasty has implanted herself. She's making herself right at home. Now things start to get really exciting. In week 3, our little hero transforms again into Emmy the embryo. By week 4, Emmy's starting to sprout some buds. Can you guess what they'll become?
Ooh, I'm growing something. Are these my future jazz hands?
That's right, Emmy. Those little buds will grow into your arms and legs. You're on your way to becoming a real mover and shaker. And now, at week 5, something truly magical is about to happen. Listen closely. Did you hear that? It's Emmy's very first heartbeat.
Wow! I've got my own built-in drum. This calls for a dance party.
At week 8, our little hero experiences their first case of the hiccups. It's like a tiny earthquake in there.
Hick, oh my, Hick, what's happening? Hick!
Don't worry, little one. It's just your diaphragm saying hello. Now, as we zoom into week 10, things get a bit colourful. Hormones are kicking in for Mom, and they're quite the troublemakers.
Let's paint everything blue. Feeling sad is in fashion for Mom.
No, red is better. Anger is the new black.
Could you two maybe calm down a bit?
Mood swings. They're like a colour-changing disco ball in there. But wait, week 12 brings a whole new world of sound. Our little fetus is starting to hear things from the outside world.
Ooh, what's that lovely whooshing sound?
That's your mummy's heartbeat, little one. It's like your own personal lullaby. But not all sounds are so soothing.
Yikes, what was that?
By week 16, our little hero is feeling a bit cramped. The uterus seems to be shrinking.
Oof. It's getting a bit snug in here. Did someone forget to pay the rent on this place?
Don't worry, little one. You're not being evicted. You're just growing. But at week 20, our hero faces their biggest challenge yet. Another loud noise from outside, but this time it's really scary.
Oh no, what was that? I'm scared.
Our little fetus curls up tight, shaking with fear. For the first time, the uterus doesn't feel like a safe, cozy home anymore.
Maybe I'm not ready for the outside world after all.
Oh dear, it seems our little hero is having a moment of doubt. Will they find the courage to face the unknown? Stay tuned to find out. Well, hello again. Looks like our little hero is having a bit of a wobble. But don't worry, things are about to take a turn for the better.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. That sound, it's so warm and comforting.
And just like that, our little one's fear starts to melt away. Those voices from the outside world don't seem so scary anymore, do they?
You know what? I think I'm ready for some more growing.
By week 28, it's time for some blinking practice. Open, shut, open, shut.
Look at me, I'm a superstar. I've got the fastest eyelids in the womb.
At week 32, it's time for a little acrobatics. Our fetus is getting into position for the big day.
Oof, head down, bum up. Is this right?
Now at week 36, those lungs are almost ready. Time for some breathing practice.
In through the nose, out through the mouth. Wait, do I even have a nose yet?
And finally, week 40 arrives. Our little hero is fully formed and ready for the grand finale.
This is it! I'm ready for my big debut.
And with that, the uterus begins to contract. It's showtime, folks! And there we have it! Our little hero emerges into the world.
Congratulations. It's a beautiful baby girl.
Hello, little one. Welcome to the world.
Please like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.